This case makes me so angry because for a judge to deny an ankle monitor on a domestic abuser, I don't know why he would do that. Why give them any favors? We know that it doesn't go well. A Florida man died in a car crash after he allegedly broke into his estranged wife's home and stabbed her up to 70 times, with the murder coming about a month after a judge, who was suspended last week for abusive language, declined to put an ankle monitor on him, according to cops. James Lindsay, 42, assaulted his estranged wife, 40-year-old Kristen Stevens, a little under a month before killing her, according to police. He was arrested on November 6th for domestic violence battery at her home, where he also allegedly took her life. The Seminole County Sheriff's Office and Attorney's Office of the 18th Judicial Circuit had asked the judge to place Lindsay on GPS monitoring. However, Seminole County Circuit Court Judge Wayne Culver denied the request and ordered Lindsay not to contact Stephen, as if an abuser will listen. The Sheriff's Office said it responded to a call around 1 a.m. on Thursday for two people suffering from stab wounds at Stevens' home in the 2600 block of Hibbert Trail in Cholula, about 20 miles northeast of Orlando. Deputies found Stevens dead in the home from multiple stab wounds. Another victim, a man who had not been publicly identified, was stabbed and fled to a neighbor's house to call 911. There was also a 16-year-old boy at the home during the incident, but was not harmed. Well, not physically, but mentally, yes. Deputies say that Lindsay broke into the home and attacked the two victims before fleeing the scene. About 4 hours later, Lindsay died in a single car crash. Seminole County Sheriff Dennis Lemmer said during a press conference that the surviving victim told deputies he found Lindsay on top of Stevens, stabbing her in the bedroom. The man tried to fight Lindsay off and ended up stabbed in the leg. Lemmer estimated Lindsay stabbed Stevens between 20 and 70 times. Lemmer said the couple have a history of domestic violence incidents involving law enforcement. According to the probable cause arrest affidavit for Lindsay's domestic battery arrest, Stevens said that she was trying to sleep when Lindsay kicked her off the bed. She tried to leave the room when Lindsay allegedly shoved her into a door, leaving a small bruise on her left eye, per the affidavit. I'm sure it's much worse than what was reported, right? As we know in these cases. Lindsay told deputies that he and his wife were having problems, and she was acting crazy. Isn't that what they always say? Freaking Darvo, deny, attack, reverse victim offender, and these abusers always saying the victim is so crazy. He claimed that Stevens hit herself with the door. Deputies arrested him and took him to the Seminole County Jail. So this is the judge who denied the ankle monitor. I don't know, man. I just feel so angry for these victims of domestic violence because it's the same patterns that we see over and over again, and I just don't think enough is being done about it. He was let out on a $1,000 bond. Only a $1,000 bond. Okay, no ankle monitor. And on the day that they are supposed to have a hearing about this domestic violence, he kills her and then he crashes his car and he dies too. I feel so sorry for their son. A 16-year-old boy. May she rest in peace, and I hope the son will be okay. Follow for more.